Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an invoice in Tally Prime. First, ensure Tally Prime is open and your company is loaded. From the gateway of Tally, you will find the Vouchers option. This is your starting point for all transaction entries. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you can confidently create professional invoices. It's a straightforward process once you know the key navigation points. Next, we will enter the sales voucher details. Once in the Vouchers screen, simply press the F8 key to select sales. You will then input the invoice date, which is crucial for accurate record keeping. After that, enter a unique reference number for your invoice. Finally, choose the correct party ledger, representing the customer to whom you are selling goods or services. Now, let's add the specific items to your invoice. First, select the sales ledger, such as sales account. Then, choose each stock item you are selling from your inventory list. For each item, accurately enter the quantity and its corresponding rate. Tally Prime will automatically calculate the amount. Remember to apply any relevant taxes or discounts before finalizing the item details. To complete your invoice, you can add a brief narration, offering additional details about the transaction. Once satisfied, simply accept the voucher to save your entry into Tally Prime. For printing, press the Alt plus P keys simultaneously. This will bring up the print options. You can then select your preferred print format and generate a professional invoice for your customer. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.